Hey lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. In today's video I'm going to give you an update of my house and house tour. As many of you know from my previous video, I'm a first-time buyer. Yes, my first ever house purchase, how I've put things together, how far I've reached, and so much I wanted to do but I've not been able to do yet. I hope you do enjoy today's tour of the house. Let's get into it. Come on in with me. Let's open the door and enter the house and have a little bit of a tour around. When you enter from the front door and you enter the hallway, going upstairs, still the same, not too much. I made a DIY kind of entry hallway, bit of decoration here, just keeping the place like warm. When we continue into the living room, I've done a few bits in the living room, so the sofa is still the same, not changed yet, and I've changed the table that was here. There was like an IKEA kind of boxy table that was sitting here. I changed it to this one. It has some lights at the bottom, and then when you come to this side, this unit was a wooden kind of boxy unit. I did a DIY on it and I changed it to this white and black looking unit, and I hung the TV. The TV wasn't hung the first time, it was just on top of the unit, and so that's the DIY I made there and changed the look of that place. I'm trying to do some kind of wall panels to the back of the sofa where those pictures are. I'll be taking them off and do something else and do some painting to change the look of the living room a little bit. That is still not done yet, still in the plan. Also, I hung these pictures in one of the previous videos, and so this is my little shelf that I've organized down in the corner to just give it some kind of a neutral look in the living room. It was looking so bare, nothing really there with the wall just standing like that, so this breaks it out a lot. And curtains are still the same, nothing changed. So far that's the living room. The new thing here is there's a tree in the corner there in the basket in the back, so that's the only different thing here so far. And when we go to the kitchen, showed this kitchen a few times before. This is the dining table I showed you that I bought from a charity shop, and it is a table that can be extended. You can open it up to be this big or make it smaller, like a round table. But I think this table is really big here. It's too big for the size of the kitchen. I think if I can change that table and do a decoration like a wall panel at the back here, do some kind of paintings. I have this aloe vera plant that is left here. It's like I took care of it so much and now I don't know, I've abandoned it. I don't have time for it, so I just left it here at the moment. I may give it away or do something with it. I have no idea yet. That will be going. This chair, there was about two of them. One was at the side of the table each, but I took one upstairs, so that one is still there. And this is the new project I'm coming to do. I bought my paint. This is a deluxe overtly olive paint. This paint is so gorgeous, and then the bottom one is going to go into like the bedroom. And the kitchen is, well, this side where we cook and all stuff. Nothing much has been really done yet, really. This is still here, nothing really much at all. The kitchen is just still the same, and all I'm thinking to do is this white wall behind that little thin white wall there. I'm going to paint it. Either I paint it or I put one of those maybe stick, like peel and stick kind of just something different there to change the look of the kitchen, to make things look a bit different. And you know, so far that is what is there. Not a lot has changed at all. Not a lot has changed. Everything is still the same. Yeah, so nothing really much has changed really. So let's go upstairs now. From here, as we entered before, I showed you, well, I've changed something here. Yeah, so this pampas here was just very small. This there is a natural one at the bottom which was so tiny and short, it looked like it was dying, so I bought this fake one from AliExpress and I added to it. It's a bundle of it. It's a lot of it. Very beautiful. It's look really nice. Yeah, very fluffy. I like the fluffiness of it. So yeah, let's go upstairs now, all the way up. If you are looking at these stairs, it looks like very tall. I was thinking for the stairs to put this kind of like natural looking kind of floor mat to divide in the middle of it. Where you see, can you see where we've been walking? You can see there is a pale line between it there. So I was thinking to put that kind of natural carpet there, like a bit whitish or just like neutral look there, but I don't know yet. Let's see what happens. It looks just like the color of that Pampers there. Just thinking about it. Well, this is the spare room I showed you when I was doing the putting the bed together in this room. This is the spare room I left for my son, who will be coming soon, hopefully. Yes. Okay, so the room is still the same, not much. I just put a picture up there, and it's been there since we entered into this house. No one has really used it really. My sister visited and used it a few times, and the husband, and the room is still the same. Nothing is inside. It's just empty. It needs to be occupied. When I close that door, the next door here going is the bathroom. This is the bathroom I did the DIY for, where I showed you where I was doing this kind of gold strips there and all that. So that's the bathroom, still the same. Well, I put some plants there. It needs some kind of stand or table to raise it up to stand on its own. I'm also thinking to paint. The paint I bought, some of it is going to go into the bathroom. I'm going to use to decorate here, so we'll see how that one goes. And from there, let's go back. This is my bedroom. I think I showed this bedroom before. When I first moved into this house, there was nothing in it. It was messy, I think, with mattress and stuff. So this cream kind of carpet that is at the bottom of the bed, I bought it for the living room under the table, but I realized it was too small, so I bought the same one bigger for that one and brought this one here. So that is how that one looks. And this is the bedroom. Basically nothing much has really been done at all. My dressing table is here with so many messy stuff on it, so I wouldn't like to show that one a lot. So I bought a bedside unit, two of it, like twins, where I'm trying to do a DIY and change that one there, and then the second one put it at the sides and take this big unit off there and paint the top and decorate, just make the bedroom look so welcoming and warm, like, you know what I mean. Yeah, so there was nothing here before when we first came. You see, this is a wardrobe that I put here because there was a big space in the corner here, but the wardrobe couldn't stand the other way to face me, so I had to put it sideways in order to create a space to be able to close the curtains and all that. Now there's a very big space here to be able to walk around the curtains and all that. It's just a messy curtain I put there. First there was like only that gray curtains, but then I decided to put that kind of brown curtains there. That is the IKEA wardrobe in the other room with mirror on it. That's the same one that is there. I think nothing really much really. And then the lampshade matching the brown, or is the gold curtains. Yeah, they are like gold. So I'm going to be doing a lot of DIYs to come soon, and this is coming out of the bedroom. So yeah, not too much. This is my house tour update. There is not much that has gone into it because I've been so busy since I moved into this house. I've been going to placement and college and all that. I mean, uni and everything all much together. I'm trying so hard to put things together, but you know, it's taken a long time, but it's still okay. The house is put together for now and it's okay to use. It's not the way I wanted, but it's still good. So I hope you do stay and watch my next up videos that will be coming. I know I've not been active, but pardon me for that. I am planning so much to try so hard and, you know, film as much as I can anytime that I'm off or I'm free, like today. And so, well, yeah, I hope you do enjoy today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully.